Welcome to the Complete SEO Guide for Beginners in 2019. Learn SEO fundamentals, content and link building techniques, advanced SEO techniques, UX signals, SEO tools. What is the best way to optimize SEO for beginners? Why it's important to rank in the top 10 in Google search results. Do you know how search engines work? Organic and paid search result. How Google scans and rank your website for ranking. SEO basic fundamentals for beginners. What is SEO and why is SEO important for beginners? What are the basic SEO techniques for beginners? What are search engine ranking factors? What are some ways for beginners to practice SEO? Keyword research and competition analysis for better SEO. What is the importance of keywords in SEO for beginners? Which are the best SEO tools for a beginner? On-page and off-page SEO optimization. Why backlinks are important. What is a backlink building? What is a good off-site SEO strategy for beginners? What are the best SEO tips for beginners? You will learn all these in this guide. Link is given in description. Thanks for watching.